Good morning, everybody. We're at the Hotel Henrico Quezada. Show us some matcha. Hi, matcha. Oh, I like those pictures on the wall. What is that, Pikachu?
Yeah.
Did you guys went on the bike already?
Yeah.
Oh man, I missed it. So mommy's still on the bike?
Baby's sleeping, I think.
We're on Session Road, guys. I'm just making a video that's on the way to the Baguio Cathedral. Woo! Wow, look at this. SM City Baguio is right there. Alright, this is the Canaan viewpoint. Woo! Wow. What do you think, Michelle? Yeah. We're gonna use mommy's phone to take pictures. Gonna fall down. We're just over there, the viewpoint over there. Look at Pippa. You like the lion's head, Fifi? Wow. Stay with mommy. Wow. Come here, Fifi. Yeah, you want to brace that? Yeah. that little teddy bear. That's cool. We're watching our Lagalag channel.
And you already met Evelyn, right?
Yes. Hi, Mimi. Is that your axolotl? Try it too. Watching here. Sure does. Let the teddy bear play with the axolotl. Yeah. Oh, tricked us. So we have Shanghai, inasal, chicken inasal, fried rice,
Pancit.
caldereta. Yummy, yummy. So you have to get some meat too. Go on, girl. That's a cool shirt.
Thank you for bringing our families together for the first time.
Amen. Whoa, slow down there, Michelle. Hey, you got an audience. Everyone's looking. Everything looks good. Thank you, guys. Nice to meet you guys.
They're the parents of my little baby.
Where's the shade at? There's no shade here, huh? All right, we checked into an Airbnb here in Tayug. Gonna check to see what the girls are doing at the pool. This is the place right here. There they are. Hey guys.
Hi guys.
You guys having fun? Hi Fifi. Hi Pippa. It's a pretty big pool. It goes down to 8 feet. The girls having fun over here. Hi Fifi. Hi Fifi.
I can go here.
Oh yeah, wow. You're getting taller. Perfect. Let me just show you around. So we got TV, a seating area, family room, TV room, whatever you want to call it. This is room 1, which is where Michelle's staying. There's 2 beds. Actually, I think Pippa is going to be sleeping here. And then this is the dining area right here. High ceilings. And then the CR, which is the bathroom for the Americans. Shower, toilet, okay. And this is room number 2. This is where Fifi and Mommy and all my stuff over here. Okay. And then over here is the kitchen. Kitchen here. Fully equipped microwave, stove, sink, utensils, laundry. That's it, guys. The girls are eating strawberries we got from Baguio. Do you like it, Fifi?
I think
Say, it's my favorite.
it's my favorite. It's my favorite.
You heard it from the girls. It's their favorite. Mateo right here, taking us to Baguio. Woo! Yay! Hello, folks. Hey, come on up. It's like Switzerland. Your steps in the day. Got my wallet, baby. Go like this. Whee! This is Zurich, Maliko. Okay, Switzerland. We made the summit, guys. Right there, Zurich Hill. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Got it. You guys got some ice cream? Whoa!
Strawberry.
Is it good? How about you, Michelle?
I just like it.
Oh, you want a toy?
Yeah.
What did Fifi get? Wow. We are at Bacon, Buffalo, and Beyond. Hello. What's Fifi doing? Too much. Quesadilla came in. Looks like a kid's quesadilla. We got our milkshakes, our bacon chocolate milkshake, and our strawberry, and we're just waiting on our fries. How my girls doing? Did you guys have fun? Whoa! You want me to carry you? Okay. Ready to go home now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Check out this Rebel Bakehouse. Guys, Rebel Bakehouse. We are at Army Navy because the other place didn't have what we wanted. We have steak, quesadilla for Michelle, cheese, quesadilla for Pippa, chicken burrito for mommy, and then I got the, let's see what I got here. I got spam and egg. Session Road, guys. Tayug.
We see you guys later, girls and boys.
Say bye-bye, Fifi.
Bye-bye, Pepe.
You like that, baby? Let me see your boo-boo. What happened?